Lexus LFA supercar is, or was, the most elite vehicle at any point worked by the world's biggest car maker. Just 500 of the extraordinary carbon fiber 200 miles per hour V10s will be sold at $375,000 each. Presently, the course-engaged LFA Nürburgring Package is set to be uncovered. Just 50 such 562 bhp vehicles will be created with re-examined optimal design and specialized refinements intended to tweak the intriguing two-situate sports roadster to be fit for lapping the mythical Nürburgring Nordschleife circuit under 720. Presently, the normal Gomer needs something other than a wad of money, modern measured gonads, and a sweet taking care of ruthlessly intense auto to get around the green hell inside 8 minutes, not to mention 720, so the cost incorporates unique guideline sessions on the circuit into the deal. The auto can be red and white, orange or dark at $445,000 or in a matte dark for $465,000, making it the most costly Japanese street auto ever. The cost additionally incorporates an evening's settlement at the circuit, a unique coat which will connote the wearer as one of the 50 to have experienced the experience, and a 1-year go to the circuit so you can take a shot at your lap times. The Nürburgring Package LFA will be shown in broad daylight out of the blue at the Geneva engine. Demonstrate a fortnight from now, and as there may be 50 sold, may we propose you contact your Lexus merchant at the present time on the off chance that you need one. On the off chance that your viewpoint on Japanese games autos is that they won't slice it, contrasted with the best the Germans, Italians and British bring to the table. Think again. Nissan's GT-R has effectively exhibited that Japanese autos can do the business without a superior sticker price. However, it isn't Lexus' goal to sponsor the purchasing cost excessively. Talk has it that the decade-long improvement crusade couldn't in any way, shape or form be amortized adequately crosswise over only 500 autos, and regardless of how they juggle the numbers, each LFA costs significantly more to create and work than the insignificant $375,000 you're being requested to part with in time. For example, this current, it's extremely just conceivable to think about. The LFA is a horribly costly limited time practice intended to construct some brand an incentive in the tip-top wearing classification. There is most likely that Lexus could charge more for the vehicle. Its point is to have the 500 autos full-scale there, all being driven, all with indistinguishable by valuing, and with a proprietorship encounter second to none.